I've been testing out the MCGOR 10-inch under cabinet lighting 2-pack, and honestly, I wasn't expecting much. I've bought a few of these cheap under cabinet lights before, the ones that flicker, die after a month, and generally just make the space look a little worse. Setting up the kitchen was a nightmare, constantly battling with wires and trying to find a decent outlet. The constant fumbling around in the dark, trying to find the switch, was incredibly frustrating. It's a small thing, but those moments really add up. This kit promised a better experience, and I wanted to see if it actually delivered. These lights have a really clever magnetic design, and they stick firmly to my cabinets. The motion sensor works surprisingly well. It detects movement from about 10 feet away, and the light automatically turns on. There are 5 different brightness settings, which is great for different tasks. Brighter for prepping food, dimmer for a subtle night light. The rechargeable battery is a huge plus. No more replacing bulbs or worrying about running out of power. The price is $52.99, which is a bit higher than some of the other motion sensor lights I've seen, but the build quality feels noticeably superior. I did notice one minor thing. The adhesive pads, while strong, did leave a slight residue when I removed them. It wasn't a huge deal, but it's worth noting. I was picturing myself relaxing on the sofa, reading a book in the evening, with a warm, soft glow illuminating the space. The lights would be perfect for that, really adding a touch of convenience and safety to the kitchen. It's a quiet evening. The rain is falling softly outside, and I'm finally able to prepare dinner without stumbling around in the dark. The light is perfectly positioned, providing just enough illumination to see what I'm doing. The motion sensor is working flawlessly, automatically turning on when I move around the kitchen. It's a genuinely pleasant and practical addition to the space. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.